We're given three side lengths, the square root of 7, 5, and the square root of 48. The question is, do these side lengths form a right triangle? We're going to answer that question by substituting these values into the Pythagorean theorem, and then checking to see whether the values on the left and right side of the equation are equal. If they're equal, then we can say, oh yes, these satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, therefore these side lengths come from a triangle, that's a right triangle. However, if these side lengths do not satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, then we say, well, this can't be a right triangle. So I got us started over here. I have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I substituted in the square root of 7, and then the 5, and then the square root of 48. So the square root of 7 squared is 7, and 5 squared is 5, and the square root of 48 squared is 48. And on the left-hand side, 7 plus 25 is 32, and on the right-hand side, I have 48. So, ding, 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 we have a failure. 32 is not equal to 48. So what does that tell us? It says that the side lengths square root of 7, 5, and square root of 48 do not satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. So these side lengths are not from a right triangle.